Yo, what is up? So we're gonna continue some work on the horror game. Guest, what's up, guest? What you got going on? What up? What up? So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Ben Gabriel? It is indeed Gabriel. What's up, Ben? What you got going on? What up, what up? Good, man. You? Not much. Yeah, I'm doing pretty good. Doing pretty good. Yeah, we just working on some more shit. I got my my doors and shit made. Got this entrance area pretty much made. Disabled access. What you mean? That's what you got there? Yeah, pretty much. I don't have door mechanics in yet, so I can't go in. If I run up... Ugh. Can't get in anymore. PM Teddy, yo, yeah, that's a door I wouldn't go through if I saw it. Nice job. Hey, I appreciate it. Yeah, I made all these damn textures custom. They're all looking pretty jank. Pretty screwed up. But what's up? What you got going on? Did you fix the poles? Poles? Oh, yeah. You talk about this. Yeah. It's hard as hell to see. Let me just go unlit. Yeah. Rusi, hi, what's up, Rusi? Oh my god, this song is so loud every damn time it comes on. What's up, Brucey? What'd it do? Not much. Did you see the rest of the State of Unreal yesterday? You happen to know if they mentioned .svg support yet? I don't recall any .svg support. Yeah, we watched the whole thing. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Got us a good old door here. I'm on conflict? What do you mean? What is conflict? On conflict? Let's see. What did Ben post? Public roadmap? 500 plus free anims? Yeah, 500 plus free anims is gonna be pretty nice. That's gonna be amazing. But what's up, Husky? I'm arguing with myself about what? Modular control rig, deform graph, skeletal editor, motion matching. Look at this damn thing right here. What are they doing? Yeah, motion matching is really cool. Binding lifetime track. Expansion of animating materials and sequencer. Ooh, that would be cool. Control rig, direct manipulation. Oh, is that in the... Oh, okay, yeah, that's... Yeah, that thing. Layered control rigs? What exactly does that mean? Animation authoring? Post retarget phase. Sequencer readability. Nanite tessellation. Oh, it's still experimental. Nanite optimized shading. Nanite spline meshes. That's going to be really useful. Orthographic rendering. Temporal super resolution. What about it? Isn't this already in there? History resurrection. Has pixel. Animation material flag. Visualize TRS. Show flag. Who the hell is using temporal super resolution? That shit's so expensive. To the level I might start a fight with myself. But about what? Thinking I should get DD2? Is that Dragon's Dogma 2? It does look pretty good. Does look pretty good. There's a lot they skipped over because the UEFN, yeah, they did. SVG support for fucking Fortnite, not UE5? Oh. Yeah, there's a lot of shit that you're talking about, like UEFN. No, it's Damage Dealer 2? Damage Dealer 2. Are you pulling my leg? Optimize shader cook time. Yeah, I remember them going over that. RHI render parallelization, binding rendering, heterogeneous volumes, deferred rendering. All this shit's experimental. Vulkan, ray tracing, hardware ray tracing, large world coordinate on GPU. Oh, this is still experimental. Oh no, this isn't experimental. So I guess they're pulling that out of experimental. World partition runtime hash with 3D grid, HLOD and editor. Oh, HLOD and editor. Okay. Level instances, soft object references, server streaming, subworld partitions. What is subworld partitions? Provides the possibility to have multiple sub-world partitions within a level, enabled through code or blueprint. Level instances, actors with their level behavior properties set to standalone and referencing a streaming and enabled world partition level will be automatically considered as a sub-world partition level. HLODs of a sub-world partition are not supported from the parent world and will only appear once the standalone level instance actor is streamed in. Okay. Runtime data layer logic operator. Yeah, I remember them going over this a little bit. Landscape nanite automatic async build. Ooh. Water scalability. Improve water scalability for large environments with dynamically tessellated water mesh. Okay. Runtime hierarchical generation. Node graph UX. Nodes and operators. Are these new nodes that are coming in? Interesting. Attribute set tables. With PCG. Feedback loops. Recursive subgraphs, biome core plugin, yeah. Native level to a PCG data asset, dynamic attribute tracking, or branch execute calling. I'm guessing this is all kind of PCG shit right here. Yeah. Unreal Zen storage, Unreal Cloud. Multi-process cook. Unreal Horde. Continuous in your integration. What is this? An out-of-the-box continuous integration solution designed for any Unreal Engine development team. Horde is horizontally scalable. System cooked in Perforce. Not sure what the hell that is. Damn, there's a lot of shit. Yeah, they metahuman shit is just in UEFN too. Oh, you talking about the like the size difference that they made? Phil's Bow? Yeah, what's up, Phil's? What you got going on? I can't quite read what you're saying. The screen is... Let me try to scroll down, make it easier to see. Oh, morning? Oh, what's up, Phil's? What you got going on? Yeah. Yeah, Dragon's Dogma 2 looks good, Rusi. I definitely wanna give that one a shot. I was watching some people play it earlier. Looks like something I would like to play. Yeah, SVG support would be amazing for menus and whatnot. They're scalable images without pixelation. Scale them up or down. But why on earth on UEFN and not UE5 is what I don't get? Yeah, dude. It's kind of bullshit that they're putting shit in UEFN that Unreal Engine isn't getting. Like, what the fuck are you thinking? 80% are filter nodes? Yeah. All those nodes and shit. Actor alignment tools, material designer effects, layer, blur, color correction, glow, distort. Geometry modifiers. Interesting. Animation modifier system, renaming tool, outliner enhancements. Transition logic, broadcast rundown, stagger animations. Masking modifiers, grid arrange modifiers. Meta sounds, bunch of audio stuff, bunch of mobile stuff, UV tools, bunch of modeling stuff. GLTF export, import round trip. Character mover 2.0. Large world coordinate networking support. Iris replication. Brings workflows improvement as well as quality of life features that have been introduced to the plugin, which should be using it and debugging a lot more accessible in any network environment. GAS debugging improvements. Nico, let UEFN users be the testers so we receive the full content. Hopefully they actually bring this shit to us. Yeah, maybe that is kind of what they're thinking. Test shit with UEFN and then once it's good, bring it into UE5. Well, what up? What you got going on? Bunch of Niagara stuff. Chaos. Niagara fluids. Physics-based character movement. Render layers. Nah, I think they were trying to push UEFN, like they said. They're moving FN to it. Yeah, Fortnite straight up completely moving to UEFN. That seems crazy. That is ridiculous. Okay. Nice. There's a lot of stuff coming. There's a lot of stuff coming. UFN and Fortnite and Lego Fortnite are the money makers though. UE5 might make them money too, licensing an engine out, but still not as much money as everything else. So I feel UE5 is kind of the back burner. UEFN is the prize, the possession right now. Yeah, but like, I mean, a shitload of people are gonna be using UE5. Like, what big company, what big game? AAA game is gonna switch to UEFN other than Fortnite? Probably nobody. Me? You're gonna switch to UEFN? Me too. Might as well. There you go. Unreal releases a lot of things in experimental and doesn't finish anything. The substrate, the water volumes, mass, and other stuff are not there yet. Feels bad, man. Oh, dude, water has been experimental for like literally the entire time that I've been learning Unreal Engine, like a long ass time. But from what I've heard, substrate is supposed to be coming out of experimental in 5.5, unless that changes. But yeah, I don't know why they're taking so long on like some of those systems, but I also don't know how to make those systems myself, so I can't really say shit. Like, I'm sure it's complicated. Depends on where the money is to be made, I guess. Talk about it as far as like big companies moving and shit. Lord Kenny, what's up, Lord Kenny? Listen, get down on the floor. There's a robbery. You could try. You could try. But I might have to take you outside for that one. Honestly Bad, Carrie, what's up, Honestly Bad? What you got going on? You're robbing poor people? Exactly. We're all broke. What you gonna take? What are you gonna rob? Rusey. I'm here for the bad boy Unreal projects. Oh, you gonna rob the projects? Give fuck, this is my bank. Just work, hating life, the normal thing. I can feels. Well, hell yeah. Are you at work right now? I've not got much going on. How about you, man? Yeah, we're just working on our asylum here. I got my doors done. We got some creepy ass doors, janky ass door made. Whole little entrance kind of made. So I need some more shit. I think I'm about to work on this little sidewalk area. I think that'd be good to work on. Gonna take all our Unreal projects? Yeah, that's like the only thing that you could steal that would hurt us. Oh, got ads. Got friggin' ads. Did you fix your bug? No bank involved here, just Unreal projects? No, not our projects. Can't rob our projects. Ben, are you happy with my wheelchair accessible asylum? We added in just for you. You need a tree in the middle? I don't think I have any trees in here yet. I do need to grab a tree or environment pack. Let me grab one. I work from home, so does that mean I'm technically always at work? Yes, you're always at work. If you work from home, you're always at work. Kinda, I guess. I finally did. It was super stressful, but in the end, I fixed it. Hell yeah. Friggin' bugs. You gotta squash them damn things. Hell yeah. Good job, though. I took an alternative approach that I mentioned in the general chat. Yeah, he posted up a little bit before the stream started about what he did. I hope he enjoys 15 plus projects of tutorials. Yeah, just people's projects for following tutorials. Good thing the only still is Unreal. Unity for the win. Honestly, Badge like, yeah, you ain't gonna take my project. I'm in Unity. Now I need a tree in the middle. What the fuck is this music? Sounds like someone is killing a cat. That's exactly what's happening. Someone is murdering a cat. Oh, I'm here for models, graphics, sounds, the whole shebang. Oh, he's gonna steal your shit too, honestly, Bad. You're not getting out of it. Campbell Hall. Oh, you won though. You won though. Thank you, man. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Did we get this yet? Almost. I got out of it. Got out of what? We're gonna jump. We're gonna jump. I delete my projects every day, so good luck. True. I'm gonna jump. I'm fine though. I'm also taking animations and inventory systems. He's gonna steal your inventory. I'll be there before it's deleted. Yeah, you're just gonna wait till you build your next project and just be waiting under your bed to come out and snag it. What kind of tree you on the middle, Ben? You on one of these big old oak trees? Carrie said that my approach to my inventory system now is similar to the same as what you're doing. Yeah, it's pretty damn close. Pretty damn close to what I'm doing for inventory. Oh, that's too big. That's too much tree. That is big? Yeah, this is a big old tree. Let's make it smaller. Is it still gonna clip? It's still gonna clip. We have tree in the asylum now. Smaller? Like that. A tree that will make me forget that my legs are fucked and I have to use a dumbass ramp to access a building. Is this that tree? Does this tree work for you? You might hit your head on it. Going in though. A bush, maybe? Just a bush? Just one little bush here? Thought it was the bigger the better? Yeah, but like, bigger goes in my building. It clips through the wall. We could use a different tree. Put a palm tree. You got a nice little palm tree to look at when you go in? We're in Florida. Nah, I ain't gonna steal any of your stuff. I'm not like that at all. Hell yeah. Tree makes me Tree makes me in the shadows. My life already dark, man. You don't want the shadows? I say make it a palm tree. The setting might be a depressing asylum, but that doesn't mean it can't be tropical. A tropical asylum. We're in Florida. There's a Florida asylum here. The bigger goes into my building, huh? Sounds so sus. It does. It went in my wall. That big ass tree went through my wall. Guys. One of these guys right here. It's a pretty nice tree, and it doesn't go through my wall. Got any dead trees? Not on this pack, I don't think. Do we? Dead tree would be nice for the setting. Oh, we have a... yeah, we have a dead tree right here. It's got snow on it, though, but I can turn that off. Yeah, we got a full-on dead-ass tree right here. Poplar is a very common tree. Yeah, these are all over the place. That's nice and fitting. I'm wondering if I have any other dead trees from any other packs. Let's see. I got a bunch of nature packs. Something that might fit. I wonder if I have any... Does that... I'm gonna have to skim through all this shit. Find my creepy packs. See if they come with any cool trees. Cemetery? I wonder if the cemetery comes with any trees. I don't see a tree. Oh, it does come with a dead tree. But it kind of looks shitty. Oh, another addition I made to my inventory is that now you can actually carry 4 of each item type, such as artifacts, treasures, consumables. Oh, nice, nice. Nice. Still no stacking, though? Like, you can't stack them? Wow, man, that's depressing. A dead tree for my people. Meanwhile, your people get nice trees? But, I don't know. Everyone here might get shitty trees. Everyone here might get dead tree. That's a nice looking pack though, but yeah, shitty dead tree. Yeah, the dead tree is shitty. Everything else looks pretty good, but the tree is shitty looking. I'm considering stacking. Yeah, stacking isn't too bad. It's useful, especially if you're gonna be getting like if you have a lot of loot that you can collect. Like I would stack things like consumables and shit like that, because like you could end up with a lot of consumables. Let's see. Maybe this guy has some dead trees? Oh no, I don't see any trees in this one. Yeah, no trees in that pack. Dead tree maybe? Anywhere? No, they have nice trees. No dead ones. Or actually, let's look. Yeah, just one tree. And it's not dead. Stacking, you say? I'll do that now? Inventory stacking? Ben's just addicted to inventory. Full on addicted. Go for it for sure. I think the only things you can't stack in mine will be artifacts and treasures. Yeah, I could see that. I could see that. Everything else would be stackable. Let's see. I need me a nice dead tree. One of these packs gotta have something. Maybe this one? There's some dead trees in this one, from what I could tell. Yeah, there's some dead trees. It looks almost identical to the trees that I have right now, though. Let's add it and look. Also a dead pine, yeah, which we already have, but maybe they have more. Maybe. We'll take a look at it. You have to have it so when you drop items on the same slot, it stacks too. With drag and drop anyways, yeah. Yeah, I haven't really messed with drag and drop too much. I do want drag and drop in the RPG, but I don't think I'm doing drag and drop in this project. Let's see. It's almost done. Is the same author, is it? Mithra Tech? What's the other one? Where is that other one? I have too many packs. Let me just search. Procedural biomes. Oh, it is the same artist. So yeah, it's probably the same damn trees. Trees. Billboards. Yeah, we got some other options for trees. Oh, beautiful. We got this guy. And this guy. Does give us a little more option for dead tree. I don't think they're identical, actually. They are different than the other ones. And we got a dead stump in this one. Compared to biomes, which is... Where'd it go? The only dead one we have in here is this guy. It's fucking huge, though. They are different, yeah. The other one was wider, yeah. But I wonder if it's the same, but just bigger. Let's scale it down. Once you scale them down, yeah, they're different. Yeah, they're not the same. Okay. Looks different? Yeah, they're different. They're different. Let me go into this material, though. We don't need snow. Let me turn snow off. Did that have snow? Yeah, we could turn the snow off, though. Turn that bad boy off. Oh, we need to turn it off on everything, though. Why are you gonna have use snow as default? Alright, no snow. Okay, we have three trees and a dead stump. I think I like this one. Far left? Yeah, that's the one I was going to as well. Yeah, this one right here. Yeah, I like this one. Yeah, that's the one. It is. I'm gonna have two here. Rotate this one a bit. And also scale it maybe. To points. Maybe 0.2. Something like that. Kind of gives a denser impression. Fuller but dead. Yeah, it's got like a thickness to the limbs, kind of. I need to change some settings on it, though. Let's see. I'll leave collision on it. It's already got nanite. I don't know, but well, we can leave nanite on, but I just need to turn it into an instance once I get all the trees in. But for now, I can just max draw doesn't work on nanite, right? No. So for now, we'll leave it like that, I guess. Till I actually get all the trees in that I would want. It looks like in the dark. Yeah, that's pretty nice. And from outside the window, if I can find a window. Where the hell's the window here? Right here. Oh god, where am I? Oh, it's just that dark. It's hard as hell to see it. It's there. It's just hard as hell to see. Yeah, it's dark as shit in here. Do I have lumen on? I do. Let me turn that to screen space for now. Oh, it got darker. Cool. Okay, so I want to make... this little sidewalk thing. Actually, let me merge this whole thing. Yeah, this whole guy. References, entrance, sidewalk. I can just pull this guy in and out, but I just want to export it for reference. Export. Let's put it in. References, entrance, sidewalk. Okay, export collision is not ticked. Cool. Let's go to Blender. Port FBX. References, entrance, sidewalk. And there we go. If you accidentally hit another parked car and nobody was around to see it, what would you do? Asking for a friend? Oh, I did that once. I did do that once. I have done that. Go, go, go. You want to know what I did? Get the fuck out now. What? Well, luckily, so I hit this car, but it was like 2 in the morning. I had to like take something to my sister. I had to take something to my sister, but she was living in this hotel at the time. So, but it was like 2 in the morning, and I was taking her some shit. And as I was like backing out to leave, I like bumped into this car. And yeah. So I basically just we checked the car. The car was fine. So she lived there. She knew the people who owned the car. So I just left, but she like checked in with them and stuff for me. But there was no damage to their car, so it was fine. I'm asking for myself, really, but still, did you hit a did you hit a car? I've hit many parked cars with my wheelchair. That's always their fault. Oh god. Siler, yo yo yo, how's it going? It's going good, man. How are you? What do you got going on today? Thumbert, what's up, everyone? What's up, Thumbert? What it do? think it depends on how bad the damage is. Yeah, when I hit a car, there was literally no damage. So, yeah. I didn't stop to check though. I just got out of there. You just dipped out. You just hit a car and dipped out. Yeah, when I hit a car, we checked for the damage. So I kind of got lucky in my situation where I hit a car. So like my sister was able to check in with them too. Good, thanks. Just working. Nice. How long you got left of work, Siler? Depends on how much damage is done. If there's no to minor damage, just go. If there's a lot of damage, you also go. If it's wrecked, you walk away instead of go. So in all situations, you just dip out, according to Piff Teddy. You good? Hell yeah. I am. Are you? Hell yeah. Of course. Good, good. For example, someone hit my car in a parking lot and take paint off, but they left. So yeah, one time someone hit my brother's car in a CVS parking lot, but they like did major damage. And I think someone came into the store and like was just like, yo, someone just hit this car out here, and it was my brother's car. So he went out and like the cops got involved. The guy that hit his car was drunk. So yeah, he got like, yeah, had to go through insurance and shit for that. Next, Lord Kenny went in person and be like, nah, I'm gonna dip out. Just gonna dip out. No. Probably 1.5 more hours. Oh, nice. So you're almost done then. So you're almost done. Hell yeah. What's the plan for after work? What do you normally do after work? I was pulling out, avoiding the other side of the road. Well, hopefully you didn't call. Did it feel like you hit him hard? Did it feel like you caused damage? Uh-oh. Potion shop. Let's go find this song somewhere in here. Here we go. You know, in the UK, our roads are really damn small. Are they? We have some pretty small roads here. Our roads are kind of all over the place. Like, some roads are really wide, some roads are not. It depends. Gonna make dinner, then hopefully Unreal. Hell yeah. Well, what's on the Unreal goal list of the day? We're still just working on our modular building set. But I probably did. Some of its paint was on mine. And I also scratched my car a little too. Oof. Yeah, you probably did a little bit. Hopefully not too bad though. Someone hit my wife's car and he was calling her a lot of names. That was the only time I forgot I couldn't walk. I was like, say that again, I'll come over there. And my wife started to laugh and say, you can't walk, so you can't go over there? Yeah. Yeah, how's someone gonna hit your car and then start being a cunt about it? Yeah, they were designed back before cars were a thing. Yeah. They probably didn't see anything, so I'm gonna just leave it. You're probably fine. You're probably fine. Oh, we got ads. I'll wait on the ads here. Damn you, snap. There we go. GX1. Oh, whoops. GX. EX1. Oh god. GX -2. Let's see. GX -3. Yeah, something like that. Today I want to try to get something small done, just a widget with animations working. Oh, nice. That should be easy. What's the widget for? Like a menu screen or like a health bar? Building set. There's gonna be entrance sidewalk. Even if they did and question it, just a quick insurance details exchange will solve the issue. Hopefully, is hit and run not a thing in the UK? You might get a hit and run charge. Like, what do I say in that situation? Do I be like, come over here so I can hit you? Just like, yeah, come over here so I can punch you in the face, dude. It's likely they didn't know who I am, though. Yeah, but then again, everyone around where I live knows who I am. Oh no, I'm sort of famous. Don't ask. Are you? Are you locally famous? Gotta be a countdown widget to show when the next wave spawns. Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, that should be easy. Should be fairly easy. Sort of. Why are you locally famous? What did you do? Well, of course he's famous. He's a lord. True. Yeah, that makes sense. Being a lord in the UK. Yeah, I could see that. Famous for hitting cars. I was a bit of a rapper years ago. A rapper? What? Okay. You can't say that you're a rapper and not give us a little rap. We gotta hear a Lord Kenny rap now. We gotta hear a Lord Kenny rap now. Who wants to hear a Lord Kenny rap? We gotta hear one now. I basically, this Blackpool rapper. Her name was Sophie Aspen, and I gained publicity. Really? I gotta hear this. I gotta hear this. Yep, I need something easy to make progress without thinking. Yeah, that should be easy. Just something to feel like you're getting something done, but not think too damn hard. I can feel you there, man. I can absolutely feel you there. Nope, not gonna happen. Why not? Drop the SoundCloud link? Yeah, man, let's hear it. You can't say that and not let us hear it. We gotta hear it now. We gotta hear it now. Technically, if you look hard, you'll eventually find it, but no way I'm giving you a link to any of the copies that still exist on YouTube somewhere. Lord Kenny equals T's. Ryan, what's up, Ryan? Can I just look up Lord Kenny on YouTube? Let's see if we can find it. Did I spell that right? I spelled it wrong. I added an E. Is it this? Oh, no. What the hell? No. Is it this? This guy looks like a rapper. Is this you? You find other videos of me? But nothing like that? Man, we'll get it out of you. We'll get it out of you at some point. I put Marius on it, Kenny? Yeah, Marius will find it. Marius will find it. Yo, they call me Lord Kenny, the smoothest in the land. Got a castle on a hill, respect from every hand. Fought my way to the top. Ain't no handouts here. I built my empire from scratch. Ain't nothing to fear. Gold chain on my chest. Crown upon my head. Got a feast every night. Sleep it on a king-size bed. Texas flowing in. Got the finest wine. This lordly life is sweet. Living like a spot. Finn throwing out a rap. Hell yeah. I didn't do the song under that name. No, it was a completely different name. Marius won't find it. Fine. Somebody's gonna find it. Somebody's gonna find it. Somebody will find it at some point. Nice. Ben needs to Lord Kenny needs to trump that now. Yeah, Lord Kenny. Let's hear the callback to Ben's rap there. They won't trust me? Somebody will find it. This is the internet. People can find anything. Unless they know the specific name I used as my rap name, there's no chance. Someone hacked into Lord Kitty's computer, we must find it. Oh, you're about to have some hackers on your ass, Lord Kitty. It's not on my computer? Well, damn. Look for fingerprints on the assets he stole. This was when I was 14? Oh, damn. That's long. That's a long time ago. Damn. Ousting tournaments, I leave them in the dust. My sword sings a song. Ain't nobody a must. Got a lady on my side, fairest in the realm. She keeps me grounded, keeps the chaos at bay. Why? Well, I only had a shitty laptop when I was 14. Damn, man. I gotta hear the Lord Kenny rap. People still remember you from that rap? With it being that long ago? Arm, what's up, Arm? Carry more like Poppy? Indeed. Gamble 1%, points, 125? Oh, damn. Telling ChatGPT is on this rap. Oh, is that ChatGPT? Oh, they do indeed? Damn. That's crazy. So I'm wondering if I should do cracks as geometry, or if I should just do cracks as texture. Probably do cracks as texture. Probably be easier. Probably. You thought that was me? I don't know where the hell that was coming from. Hell no, that isn't me. Using nanite, so you geometry? I think I should do geometry. We can do geometry, but I need to. I don't know what I want to do for it. Throw subdivision surface on this bad boy. Oh god. Geometry looks way better than just flat textures. Yeah, you right. I mean, we can make it look real good in substance, but you right. Something like that. Yeah, it does look better. It does look better. So I need to sculpt, I don't know, 2 or 3 different versions of this with different kinds of damage to the edges and shit. Not enough geometry? Maybe more? Oh. Let me select this. Yeah, just a few. You can always rotate them around to hide the repetitiveness. Yeah, that's kind of the idea. I don't know if I want to do anything to the top side up here, actually, because this is where it'll meet the other one. So I can just kind of... do different shit to the edges to... add some jank to the edges. And I don't want the top to be completely flat either. But I think I might need more. One more subdivide? No, I wasn't doing that right. Let me go back on that subdivide. I was pressing the wrong damn button. Yeah, different shit like this. Doesn't need to be crazy. I think that's pretty good. Are you sculpting with a mouse or a digitizer? I'm just sculpting with a mouse. Yeah, just a good old mouse. I think that one's good. I went to a job fair yesterday at the uni. Remember, I couldn't find the stapler, so one company wasn't there to find developers, but I guess they said the right things because the guy asked for my resume. It said he will call me when he gets back to the office this week, so pray and I impressed him enough. It's a good dev job. It's for a manufacturing company, and they make applications and machine learning tools for their products. Oh, badass. Well, good luck. Good luck on your hopefully soon to be job. Hell yeah. Thanks for the sub, Ben. I don't remember if I told you yet. Oh yeah. I have both. Still use my mouse? Yeah, still just use a mouse. Okay, so that should be one. piece. We'll make like 4 pieces, maybe. Because I did kind of do some, I don't know. We'll see. We could try 3 at first. If we need another one, we'll make another one. Let's make a new folder called Side Walks. Oh, actually, well, Smart Unwrap is actually fine on this, I think. Maybe, yeah, we'll do that. Okay. One. Geometry, face, export that. Just throw this guy over here. And let's duplicate him, throw him over there. And let's sculpt. Yeah, that kind of turned out jank. Let me go back. Did I do another subdivide? No. Cool. That should be fine for that. export. This guy. I just noticed the UE marketplace is getting flooded with AI generated icons, images, 2D assets, and whatnot. How long has that been going on? I don't know. I think they should ban AI generated shit. You talking about on the marketplace? I have no idea. I haven't noticed. I have not noticed. Yeah, I think so too. Yeah, I haven't noticed. I haven't been looking for a lot of stuff on the marketplace recently though. Other than that Asylum, I've been looking at that for reference. Oh God. Hambika, hey, I appreciate the follow. Thank you. Here, let me get the potion shop going. Damn, has it already been 25 minutes since the last one? That 25 minutes went by fast. Doug, but with vector thrust. Welcome in. What's up, Team Blender? Team Blender indeed. Team Blender indeed. Blender for the win. Arm. Yeah, right now I see Spell Icon Pack, Pills V2 Icon Pack, Pixel Fantasy Races Icon Pack, Stylized Act Pack with 75 pictures, Chest Armor Icon Set, etc, etc. I've always seen like tons of icon packs, but yeah, I mean there's a shitload of icon packs, but do they say that they are AI generated? I think I actually made that blurb a little too long. Yeah, it's a little long, but it'll be okay. It'll be alright. Team Blinder? Yes, Team Blind.
This is a reminder to save your work now, for fuck's sake.
Save? Sure. And hydrate, I appreciate.
Hello, motherfucker.
Yo, what it do? I'll send you a code later for my game. Carrie? Oh, sure. Yeah, check it out. Team Blinders. No, it doesn't say it's AI generated, but you can tell it is by looking at them. Oh, nice. What are you working on? Generating high poly meshes. We're about to make like a sidewalk. So this is going to be for our sidewalk on our level here. Yeah, that's kind of the idea. We're working on a modular building set pretty much. So I'm gonna kind of try and use these pieces for that. Let's see if it looks stupid though. Let's give it a little test real quick. Let's bring them in and see if they look dumb. Let me also turn that music back on. But nice. What kind of stuff do you work on, Doug? see, models. We'll make folder called, actually not in here. Make it in here. Called sidewalks. And then we will bring in let's bring in these three. Okay, I think I need to redo the first one? Yeah, I'll redo the first one because its alignment is different from the other ones. Let me just re-export that one. Where its pivot is different. I also need to redo that one because I didn't set the textile density. So that one, re-export that one, pull this guy back in, selection of cursor, and let me set the textile density and re-export that guy, and then pull that guy back in and pull that guy back in. Cool. Yeah, something like that. Team Blinders alternative alternative to Peaky Blinders, yes. My order of Team Blinders, hell yeah. Carry throwback stream, when? What you mean? Have you been productive this stream? Yesterday was mostly chat, yes, we've actually got some work done today. Yesterday the chat was going so fast, man. I didn't have time to work on anything. But yes, we've been productive today. Do you do baking or throwing objects at Mighty Nanite? I do hella nanite, but I do take I take a lot of things into Substance Painter and, like, you know, do textures in there and shit. But yeah, all of this stuff will be hella nanite. Yeah. We're also doing higher poly too. Like, typically I wouldn't do a lot of my meshes as high poly as this because, you know, it's not necessary a lot of the times, but we're doing vertex painting, so we need higher poly for that. Oh, we got ads. We got ads. Here, while we got ads, I'm gonna do a pee break. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Let me catch up here. Do you do baking or throwing objects at Mighty Nanite? Yeah, we're throwing shit at Nanite, pretty much. I'll be right back, man. Gotcha. I work on small to medium scale VFX for real-time applications, mostly games. Sometimes I do tech art here and there. Oh, badass. Yeah, I don't know hardly shit about VFX. VFX is really useful, though. But that's awesome. Do you have any, like, big projects under your belt? Good way to get around that, at least right now, would be to sort by oldest first. You'll probably find actual proper shit the older it is, instead of all the AI-generated crap. Yeah, probably. Because AI has been a little bit more recent. Yeah, I feel like that if they are doing AI-generated shit, they should probably disclose that. Right? Gamble? Oh, you won? Hella points. Brucey's rich as hell. Carry twerk stream? Oh god, I can't twerk. I don't even have an ass. Can't twerk with no ass. Sovereign told me a bit about Nanite earlier. It's good to use? Yeah, Nanite, you definitely want to use Nanite. Or yeah. In a lot of situations. Get some peas? Yummy peas? Yes, I just got me some peas. Do you want to try some of his peas? Oh god. True good idea? Yeah. Hey, if Miley Cyrus can do it, you can do it too. You saying Miley Cyrus doesn't have an ass? What's up, 3D modeling? What up? I guess so. If Miley Cyrus can do it, I could probably do it. Probably. Yeah, I think this should work. For a janky sidewalk. Cool. But I want to take these into Substance and texture them. They should disclose that, but they do whatever Epic allows them to do, and right now that means flooding the market with AI shit until Epic starts cracking down on it. Yeah, doesn't Steam makes you disclose if you used AI shit, right? Like Steam's doing that now. All right, let's go into Substance. Yes. Well, I got less of an ass than Miley Cyrus. I agree 100% with this. Yeah, they should disclose it if they are using it, I think. Yeah, Steam is? Yeah, I thought so. Maybe Epic will hop on that train as well, but who knows? How do I bring in... Is Ben here? Are you here, Ben? I have a question for Ben. If Ben is here. Hi, Ben. How are you texturing multiple models at once? Are you exporting them all together, or are you bringing them in one at a time into Substance? Do them all together, export them all at the same time? Okay. And then I can like re-export them out in Blender one by one, right? Export them all together on UV map too? They all need the same UV map? Yeah, okay. Let me throw this guy over here. Let's check. Hydrate, sure. So with them all just saying UV map, is that fine? Alt F4. Too many redemptions. Don't flood the chat, please. You can get timed out. True. I was almost done too. I think waste some channel points needs cooldown. Was waste some channel points getting used? Oh yeah, that was a bunch. That was a shitload. Oh yeah, that's way too many. Yeah, let's add a cooldown to that. Actually, I need blurb. Is that on blurb? Or where do I have that set? Let me see. That might be a thing I just have on Twitch. Let me pull that up. Channel points. Manage. Waste some channel points. Edit. How do I add a cooldown to this? Cooldown time. Enter a number. Five. Okay, there's now a 5-minute cooldown on waste some channel points. I've always done it that way, I guess. I guess so? Okay, cool. We'll give it a shot here. Well, at least it's being taken care of. Yeah, normally that one doesn't ever get used. But yeah, could be wrong as I'm not a professional, but I've not seen anything go wrong with it yet. We'll give it a shot here. We'll see what happens. Let's see what happens. Sidewalks. Do I need to unwrap them all together? You didn't unwrap them? Okay, yeah, I was just about to ask that. Do I need to unwrap them all together? So like this? Yeah, okay. So like this. Okay, good to know. Now time for my OC to fuck with me. It worked. I'm confused. What about your OCD? Yeah, that should be fine. All right, let's give this a shot. Sidewalks. SP. Export. New. Open. Cool. Cool. So I want to bring in. Change the export settings of this. Custom disk export. Bake the maps? Yeah, we will. We will. I just want to go ahead and grab these. Animate occlusion. T_ sidewalk. Asphalt. I hate channel points with a passion, so I try to get rid of them ASAP, but now I am left with 27 points. Hey, odd numbers? Why do you hate channel points? Why the hatred for channel points? Nonetheless, deserve for spamming the redeem. You're fine, man. You're fine. No worries. Okay. Fake. It's the same with me too. I also hate odd numbers. If my channel points are on an odd number and it's not annoying me, yeah. Just gotta like, I don't know. It'll go even at some point, right? It pops up constantly, so it distracts me. Oh, I see, I see. I see. Try to avoid looking at them, but they're just there, you know? Yeah, they are kind of just there. They are kind of just there. If you don't like odd numbers, just redeem once and it'll be even. Yeah, true. True. No need to spam it? Yeah. Alright, let's see how this looks. We have any jankiness going on? Oh, should we have done shade smooth? We probably should have done shade smooth. Or should we have? Or shade auto smooth? Yeah, let me redo this. Shade auto smooth. Where the hell is reimport? Reimport, there we go. And then we'll just rebake that. Cool. Carrie, you should change the channel points icon. What is the icon? Is it just the regular ass icon? Yeah, I need to find me an icon for that. Well, yes, but my brain is like, get rid of all of them. Get rid of all of them. Yep. Yeah, we'll get this. Gamble. Oh, you lost? Gamble, lost. They're Care Bear poops, but an icon of some poop. And slap it in there? Yeah, we need a poop icon. I need to grab me a poop somewhere. True. True. We do need poops. I thought I did change that at one point. I guess not. But what would a Care Bear poop look like? Just regular old poop? Just a poop emoji? I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, we'll find a poop icon at some point. Let's see. Let's turn. Okay, so let me delete that. And we're going to Import resources. Better? Yeah, better. We getting there? Yeah, we'll get there. We'll get it done. We'll get it done. So I need those sidewalk textures I just grabbed. Bridge. Where is it at? Rough asphalt. Bring this one in. I'll bring this one in. This one has a displacement. Displacement, rough. I'll bring all of those in. I'm gonna bring these in as library, I think. Undefined texture, texture, texture. Import, and here they are. I'm gonna change the name of them though. Albedo 2K. Yeah, that's what I need to search for. Rough asphalt. Albedo. Wait, this one. Rough asphalt displacement. Rough asphalt normal. And rough asphalt roughness. Cool. Gamble all? It didn't work. Are you rich? Gamble all normally doesn't work if you're rich. How many points do you have, Ryan? Rough points? Oh, 420? 0? You don't, oh, that's probably why it didn't work. That's probably why it didn't work then. Lord Kitty's right on 420. Hell yeah. Alright, so let's do rough asphalt beta. Height would be, where's it at? Displacement. Roughness and normal. And tiling. We will tile that up a bit. Cool. A save as. This will be that. Back to 500, hell yeah. You didn't want to have 420? Okay. So I also need to I don't know much about using alphas in here. I would like to add some like damage alphas, if that's a thing that I could do. Let me go find some. Nope. I needed to round it up to the nearest 100. Hell yeah. Hey, success. Good job. I'm not here to help. You know how to do alphas in here? I don't know too much about alphas. Let me find some brushes. I need to bring some brushes in. I haven't done that yet either. Damage, I guess. You just put it on the height channel. I don't know, man. It's hard to help over Twitch. Yeah, fair enough, fair enough. We'll give it a shot. We'll see what we get. We'll see what we get. What is imprint? Oh, foot? Should we put some foot imprints in there? Some hand imprints? Traditional? Oh, traditional. These might be a toilet brush.
Hello,
Hydrate, sure.
motherfucker.
Oh, it's Stitcher. What's up, Stitcher? What you got going on? Yo, what it do? Look who it is. Let's get the party started. Bob dance, hell yeah. The classic bloody handprint. We could put some handprints into it. Oh, there we go. We already got it up right here. What do you know? Let me just close this for now. Good day, gentlemen. Let's go. What up? What you got going on? How are you, man? Hi, man. Hi, how are you? I'm awesome. Thank you so much. How are you? I think something like this could work as damage. Like some scuffs. The namings of these are horrible. Download this. Export that. We'll give it a try on this one first. Oh yeah, I can close this guy down now. Let me import resources. H textures. Bridge. Paintbrush. Let's make a new folder in here for alphas. Move that guy in there. Let's pull this guy in. We're gonna import library. And this is gonna be an alpha. Import. Where did it go? Paint. Brush. Oh god. It's lost forever. Where'd it go? Oh, probably over here somewhere, right? Where'd it go? I need to be able to name that shit as I import it. Is there a way of doing that? Oh, it's just called brush. Okay. Brush. I don't see it here though. It's probably this one. Yeah. We'll call this brush. It kind of looks like a splat. Splat one? Sure. Kind of brush you looking for what purpose? So we can make some alphas, so we can kind of like add some like damage spots onto this. Yeah. Right back, gotcha. Oh, nice, sounds good, man. Has anyone signed up for Project Titan yet? What is Project Titan? Oh, we got ads. Friggin' ads. So what did Ben say? He said to add it on the... Here, let me add a fill layer here. And then, what would I need to do? Add paint layer? No. We would need to add... Let me go on to the height here, but then add a black mask. No, that doesn't quite do what I want it to do. So let me remove that black mask and then add paint. Is that what I would do? The brush here. Nope. I have no idea what I'm doing with alphas. I googled it, and this is the second link. Crash of the Titan, a short history of Apple's doomed car project. What? It's Epic News' big community event where all the stuff that gets created during the event will become free and available for everyone to use. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hey, I like free shit. Yeah, I'll take that shit. Damn, sounds cool. That does sound cool. Let me look up how the hell to use alphas and Substance. How the hell do I do this?
So, you don't quite understand alphas. Not a problem. Simply put, an alpha is just a black and white image. You can find them by clicking here in the libraries. Now, the reason they're useful is because they can control the shape of your brush, and are great whenever you need a specific design. And a lot of these alphas have their own parameters that let you
Oh, looks like I was close.
over their attributes.
I was very close to doing it.
Barcode decreasing threshold makes the square more full. The higher the width, the more squished the bars become, and height makes it taller. If you want a more round rectangle, band half has great parameters.
Okay. I was hella close to getting that set up. So I was on the right track. Where is the alpha? Right here. Bam, and that's how it works. Right? Oh no. Let me go to... Oh shit. Hold on. Add paint. Someone better create a whole FPS engine for Unreal? Well, didn't Unreal kind of like start as like a primarily FPS thing? I think YouTube has the whole FPS thing covered. That's all I ever really see on YouTube. FPS this, FPS that. Oh, you're talking about frames per second? Or are you talking about like a first-person shooter? It did indeed? Yeah, I thought so. I thought so. Metal. Color. First-person shooter? Okay, I got you. I got you. Yeah, I thought so. I remember hearing that. First-person shooter? Yeah, it started with Unreal Tournament game, which was a FPS. Yep. Okay, I thought so. Seems as if I am on the right idea about that. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for, kinda. Maybe not this alpha, though. Yeah, some shit more like that. Cool. I know if I ever want to create an FPS and need some help, YouTube has me covered. Yeah, everyone does that shit. I don't think it was Unreal Tournament. Don't think what was Unreal Tournament. There we go. I think it was an Unreal 1998 video game, unless that is Unreal Tournament. No, it was Unreal, my bad. Oh, I have no idea. I have no idea. I know I've heard of Unreal Tournament for sure. Is there a way to quickly change the rotation of the alpha? How did that just change it? Okay, I guess you just change it that way. I don't think it needs a ton. We just undo. Start from scratch on that. Now that I have an idea of how it works. Cool. Cool. Oh yeah, Unreal Tournament was the second game? Okay, yeah, I didn't hear about the first one then. Hey, Carrie, you know the drill? Say,
Oh, well,
yeah.
Piggy Wiggy.
Uh-oh.
Piggy Wiggy, Piggly Wiggly.
Oh, whoa, Piggy Wiggy. But what up, Marius? What it do? Marius is here. Hey, Kenny. Carrie, do you not say it? Yeah, I'm not saying it. Don't say it. Carrie, do you not say it? Alt plus left mouse. Button rotates the brush. Alt plus left. Yeah, it kind of rotates. Yeah, the whole thing. I see that now. I see that now. Says Google? Yeah, so like just rotating the view kind of rotates the brush. Yeah. It's good to know. Good to know. I appreciate you looking out, PM Teddy. Damn, I don't have enough patience for this. For what? Oh, just use the bits. I appreciate the biddies. Something like this. Let's see. What did old Ben post here? Yeah, something like that. Yeah, I'm looking for some damage. Yep, that's about what I'm looking for. Something along those lines. Gamble. Oh, you won? Hell yeah. Holy shit, I won 6 billion points? That's ridiculous. That's insane. You're just getting more and more rich. OMG, Ben is here? Indeed. Rotates the whole thing. It's not intuitive. Yeah. Yeah, it rotates the whole thing, but it also rotates the brush in the process. I would have thought there was like a separate setting for it, but there, I mean, there is if you come down here, I think, right? Or is there? Yeah, you can rotate it with this as well. Spank? What are you trying to do, Carrie? I'm just learning alphas. I'm trying to add some damage to this sidewalk thing that we got going on. This little concrete asphalt slab we have. When you gonna hire me, Carrie? Shit. Do I look like I got money to hire folks? Probably today, if you could accept working for $0. Oh, Marius gets it. Marius gets it. Marius gets it. You can open brush settings. Yeah, with the right click. Yeah, I found that a second ago. Yeah, useful. Useful. Deal? Hell yeah. You'll get exposure? Yeah, you'll get exposure. I can hire you for exposure. If you're cool with that. Oh god. Oh god. Get rid of that. It was right there, the rotation? Yeah, you took it about the angle right here. Or is there a separate thing for rotation? No, that was it. Oh. Oh, that looks a little jank on the edge. Oh, the edges are a little jank. At least those edges are. Should probably go in and unwrap these a little bit differently, probably. Sure. Might be able to fix the edge instead of doing a fast unwrap. Let's see. No one will care about the edge. Mangaruki, what's up, Mangaruki? I mean, but if we throw an alpha on there and it's super jank looking, I think it makes it stand out a little bit more. Because that's what made me even notice it. Well, what's up? What you got going on? Let's see if that fixes the edge. Nope. It's still jank. So I'm wondering if I should unwrap a little lower. I'll be alright. Right back, man. Coffee time. Hey, enjoy your coffee. Enjoy your coffee. Wonder if I go one down on the edge, if that'll kind of clear it. Damn it. I didn't even clear the other ones. Subdivide is messing it up? Yeah, the subdivision is definitely what's causing it. But I'm wondering if I can kind of deal with that if I just go around this edge. Would you be interested in rev share? I mean, if not, I understand for sure. Yeah, dude. Yeah, if you want to actually help me on this game, I would absolutely do some rev share with you. Absolutely, man. That kind of helped going down a little bit on it. So this game is going to be free, right? Yes. It's going to be 100% a free game. We can rev share that. No, nah, yeah, nah, it's not going to be free. It's not going to be free. It'll be pretty cheap, probably. But it won't be free. Oh god. Oh god. That seemed to help a little bit. It's not as jank. So let me just do that to the other ones. 1% stonks per C++ tutorial sesh? What is 1% stonks? Oh, what, you talking about 1% stocks? Is that what you mean? Silent was Copo, why? What's up, Silent? What you been up to, man? What'd it do? Okay, let me unwrap that. Works for me. Let me go do this one now. Yeah, LMAO. Stonks. Stonks or stocks. What's up, Starlight Gippy? What you got going on? I'm just kidding, though. For you, I'll do it for free. Aw, so nice. Yeah, I do appreciate the C++ help. It really does help. C++ is hard as hell. So having someone already experienced to help out, it's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Not everybody is that lucky. Let's check that. Okay, that should be good. But let me unwrap them all now. Check that. Alright. So restart this. Sidewalks, SP, mesh, geometry, face. There we go. Long time no see. It has been a while. Hey, you haven't been streaming, huh? I've been streaming for about 2.5 months straight now. You had a job that kept me, oh, you're talking about Rusi? Hasn't been streaming? You had a job that kept me from, kept me busy. But I quit? Yeah. Are you thinking about starting back streaming, Rusi? I would do it for free, Marius, but it's a lot of art we need to get done. It is a shitload of art. We got a whole entire $300 pack worth of art to get made. Gonna get back at streaming. Miss seeing all the cool mods. Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. Are you saying you're gonna hop back into streaming, Silent? All right, so we gotta redo all of this. That's fine. Pre-import, and we'll do another bake. Bake. There you go. I hope on the game too, I'll offer moral support throughout the whole process for rev share, of course. Deal. Maybe at some point, but not no plan yet. I'm mentally exhausted from the last job, and I'm on recovery. Fair enough. Yeah. Just take some rest time. Yeah, it'd be awesome to see some Rusi streams. It's been a while. I would do you for free. Come over here, Big Papa. You do it, dude? Oh, God. Where's Snell? I don't know. Snell's got a new job where he's traveling a lot. So I don't think he's been online in general. So, yeah. I'm guessing that's just keeping him pretty occupied. Oh, I see. Yeah. So he's like, you know, on the road all the damn time now. Kamiko, what's up, Kamiko? What'd it do? Sure. What's up, GF? Why is not Cam a mod? Cam could be a mod if she wanted to. Spank Kamiko. Spank Kamiko. Everybody, spank Kamiko. Are not modish? I'm confused. What? We would talk after this, so we don't end up making the same shit? Yeah, we can hop on Discord. I'm actually gonna hop off here in a minute. Oh damn, we almost went for 2.5 hours. Yeah, I'll be hopping off here in a second. I want to get one of these guys alphaed up. That one? Meh. Who is Kyle? And why does he have so many brushes? Alright. Let me find that damn song. Oh, where'd it go? It's way down here. But I just got here, you can't now? Isn't this the 24-hour stream? Yeah, we're gonna go for 24 hours. I forget what the deal was. Someone, I said I would do a 24-hour stream for something at some point, but we definitely haven't achieved whatever that goal was. I thought you were streaming 22 hours today? Oh my god, 22 hours, man. 22 hours. Y'all be seeing me in the, I'm only sleeping category for 22 hours. Turn off the shopping mall music and let's go. Potion time it is. Hell yeah. 1 million channel point redeemed for 24-hour stream. Ooh. No! 1 million channel point redeemed for that. We could. Ryan with the dough. My back hurts and it's all your fault. Oh, it's Ben's fault? What did Ben do? It was to make a game in 24 hours? What was that what it was? Do it? Here, let's see. Sure, I'll add that as a redeem. 1 million channel points. I'm gonna add it as a blurb though. I'm 30% up there. Yeah, you're gonna be the only person that reaches it. It'll still take a while though. This song, yeah, potion theme. Yeah, Zelda, yeah, Zelda. What sound do we want for 24-hour stream? Anyone got a good sound idea for that? Rusi, our Lord and Savior. Damn right. I keep spending my points. Yeah, it'll be hard as hell to reach a 1 million channel point redeem. Rick Roll clip? Rick Roll? Let's see. This? It'd be nice if there was a shorter one than that. That one's long. I want a short one. These are all pretty long. Rickroll. Thinking as well, might use the I do for you as portfolio pieces too. Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. That's gonna be nice too because I can actually have something to put on my portfolio too if we get this shit done. Oh, is that actually would be a pretty good sound for it. Pornhub intro music? What? Why would it be that? I can send you that one. I got the Pornhub a soundboard. That Patrick Star scream. That would be a good one for it. Cause that's what I'm gonna be doing in my head if it happens. It'll get your attention for sure. Yeah. This one.
Hey, you're finally awake. You were trying to cross the border, right?
Ooh, that one would be a pretty good one too. I appreciate the biddies. Alright, which one? The Skyrim one or the Patrick Star one for 24-hour stream? You don't do Discord anymore? I do. I have a new Discord. Yeah, we've been hanging out in Discord every day. We can do a poll. We can do a poll for that.
Oh, Piggy Wiggy! Ha ha! Piggy Wiggy, Piggly Wiggly!
Oh, woo, Piggy Wiggy! This new Discord name, even? If you type in exclamation Discord, it'll bring up the, it should bring it up. Yeah. But yeah, I made a whole entire new Discord when I started just focusing on, game dev stuff. But yeah. Yeah, I'll be in there hanging out after this, if you want to come hang out. Make sure you follow on MySpace. Here, let's set up a poll. Unless someone else is already setting it up. Is someone else already setting up the poll? Because if not, I'll go ahead and do it. Jeez, thanks for telling me. Hey, I haven't seen you in forever. Oh, someone did set up the poll. I appreciate you. Whoever set up the poll. I just did it. Oh, appreciate you, Rusi. Appreciate you. How big is the project? We need Git for sure now. The project... How big is the project size now? Let's take a look. $30 gigabytes. And I think the max is like 20 gigabytes, right? With LFS. Oh yeah, we got a poll up for whichever sound we're choosing for the thing. Oh god, it's 50-50. It's 50-50. Someone break the tie. Somebody break the tie. I'm here at least once or twice a week, usually lurking, playing stuff or doing house stuff. I'm a stay-at-home mom now. Oh, well, I appreciate all the lurks, man. Patrick, there I voted. Patrick. But hell yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, we got a new Discord and shit. Could use Perforce as well. However, that would mean Carrie wouldn't have to give you his IP bin. Voter, steal your dinner. Okay, so we're at Patrick, winning for the moment. So you can remotely connect to it? Yeah, that would be useful. I might steam your dinner. I'm gonna steam your dinner. Oh no. Fucking vote someone. Patrick, there I voted. Steaming my dinner? I don't have to cook? Yeah, that sounds pretty nice. Someone choose something other than Patrick? No? Patrick won. Patrick won. Alright, so we'll do Patrick. We'll do Patrick. Channel points. Let me... Oh, I'm not logged in. God damn it. Let me log into this shit. I don't know if that added to my shit or not. Let me check. What the hell is that one? What the hell was that noise? So Chronically Chill isn't the server anymore? Nope, nope. Nope. Yeah, that one's pretty much dead. That one's pretty much dead. The new one has been growing a lot more than that one. Alright, so Twitch channel points, add Twitch reward. Did that add? Got him. Hey, it doesn't count yet. It doesn't say what it is. Right now, it's just a sound. 1 0 0 0. How many zeros are in? How many zeros are in a million? 1 million. 24 hour stream for 1 point. Easy. It doesn't say 24 hour stream on it yet. How many zeros are in a million? I'm an idiot. Okay, there we go. I'll just copy and paste it from Google. There we go. Bam. Oh, I didn't save. There we go. Okay, it's in there. Got him. 24-hour stream. Not sure how like steamed steak. It could be alright. We all knew what it was for. See you in court. Rusi and I need verify. Oh, here, let me verify you real quick. Let me hop on the old Discord real quick. Give some verify. Here we go. Oh, we got a few people to verify. Verify. I appreciate y'all joining the Discord. Thank you, thank you. Hell yeah. I have 3.6k, a long way? Yeah, dude. A million's hard to get to. Verify your mods? We have. We have. There we go. You know what, Carrie? You can make community channel point redeems. That would be a fun idea. What is community channel point redeems? What would that be? Nice, so I don't have to spend mine. Is that where like people can pull together their channel points for something? Is that what that is? It's a collective that everyone puts points towards. Yeah, pull together. How do you do that? Is that how do you do that? I have no idea how to do that. So everyone can pull together channel points to make me do 24 hours? In the Twitch creator dashboard, Charles is live. I think we rated Charles yesterday. Yeah, I'll take a peek at that when I hop off. I am gonna go ahead and hop off though. Let's see who's on. Let me go make sure he's there. Yeah, I know, right? You mentioned Charles, gotta make sure he's there. Dude could be taking a shower. He is there? Cool. Sure, we can raid out to him. Hey, I appreciate the reminder on Discord, Marius. Alright, so let's raid out. We're gonna raid out to Chars. Alright, so yeah. I appreciate everyone for hanging out. I'll be back on in a few hours. I'm just gonna take a break. And we'll get some shiz done later. Work some more on our modular stuff. So yeah. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out, homies.